All right, let's talk about Carancahua Lake, the real deal down here in Galveston. It's a hidden gem, but don't let that fool you. It's tricky to get to, with just one narrow entrance that's tough to navigate, especially with all those reefs scattered around. Once you're in, though, you're in for some serious fishing. Redfish, flounder, and trout are the main catches, and they thrive in this ecosystem with its mix of grass flats, shell beds, and marshy areas. You'll see all kinds of wildlife, too. Birds like herons and egrets, plus crabs and shrimp scurrying around. The water's pretty shallow, 2 to 3 feet in most spots, and the clarity changes depending on the tide and wind, but it's a hot spot for locals who know how to read it. Just watch out for those reefs. They can snag you up quick if you're not careful. It's not some polished vacation spot. It's raw, real, and rewarding if you've got the know-how. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe to learn more. Check out Drone Hypnotics on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and X. We're on Facebook under Courtney Ross. Thanks for watching.